Imagine a fire so powerful that 1 gram of fuel can release the energy of tons of coal. Not fire from wood, not fire from oil, a fire hidden deep inside the atom. This is the story of how humanity unlocked that fire and invented the nuclear reactor. A strange discovery. At the start of the 20th century, scientists believed the atom was solid and unbreakable. But something didn't add up. Certain elements, like uranium, released invisible energy on their own. No flame, no spark. This phenomenon was named radioactivity. Years later, physicists made a terrifying discovery. When a uranium atom splits, it releases huge energy. This process became known as nuclear fission. For the first time in history, energy was created not from burning matter, but from breaking it. The chain reaction idea. Scientists then asked one question. What if one split atom could trigger another, and another, and another? A chain reaction. Uncontrolled, it could destroy entire cities. Controlled, it could power the world. Most thought control was impossible. One man didn't. His name was Enrico Fermi. Fermi believed neutrons could be slowed, guided, and controlled. The challenge was no longer scientific. It was historical. War changed everything. Then came World War II. Fears spread that Nazi Germany might develop atomic power first. The U.S. launched a secret mission, the Manhattan Project. The race was no longer about theory. It was about survival. Fermi and his team worked in secrecy beneath a football stadium in Chicago. No computers, no advanced instruments, only slide rules and hope. The first reactor is born. The device they built looked primitive, a pile of graphite blocks stacked neatly, uranium fuel embedded inside, wooden control rods coated with cadmium. They called it Chicago Pile 1. On December 2, 1942, the control rods were slowly withdrawn. Neutron levels rose. Silence filled the room. At exactly 3:25 p.m., Enrico Fermi spoke. The reaction is self-sustaining. Humanity had harnessed atomic energy, quietly, successfully. The atomic age had begun. Two paths, power and destruction. The same science soon led to the atomic bomb. Hiroshima, Nagasaki. The world saw nuclear energy's darkest side. But scientists asked again, can this power be used for peace? Nuclear reactors were redesigned to generate heat, boil water, spin turbines, and produce electricity. Entire cities lit up, powered by atoms. No smoke, no carbon emissions, just energy. Accidents and lessons. Yet nuclear power demanded humility. Accidents like Chernobyl disaster and Fukushima Daiichi accident reminded the world of the risks. From tragedy came innovation. Modern reactors are designed to shut down automatically. Safety became science itself. Nuclear power today. Nuclear reactors today power millions of homes, run hospitals and satellites, operate submarines silently underwater. They provide energy, day and night, without producing carbon dioxide. As the world faces climate change, nuclear power once again enters the conversation, not as a weapon, but as a solution. The nuclear reactor is not just a machine. It is a reminder that the same fire can destroy or illuminate. The fire inside the atom still burns. How we use it is our choice.